So guys, our $10 trading challenge is still ongoing, though it has not been going as expected. It has been rough, up and down, up and down. And the reason is because this period, I think few weeks ago, the market has not been really stable. But then again, we are still in it. The account is still surviving. The account has not gone down. Like I told you guys, that if the account gets blown, I'm going to stop the challenge. But right now, the account has not blown. So let me just show you what is still in the account. Yeah, so it's still surviving around $14. It's still in the account. So it's still above. It's still above, right? And again, I think um it means that we are still in the game, right? So I just want to show us something real quick in this video. But if you want to join the $10 challenge, how do you join it? It's easy to join the $10 challenge. You can just go to our Telegram group. Make sure you find your way into our Telegram community. So search for Blockchain Plus Hub. You join this community first, this particular community. You join it. You can see the community right there. Once you join the community, then the next thing you want to do is to go through the post where you see how to join it. This is how to join the $10 challenge, and you join the $10 challenge. But however, for today's video, I just want to show us really quick how you can set your trades in break even, because a lot of people have been complaining that they don't know how to put your trades in break even. So I want to do that real quick and show you how to do that, so that when a trade moves, you don't just leave it going and then you're losing money. So right now, these are the trades we are in on this account. We are in this Fox Finance on this account. I took it on this account. We are in Zen, and we are also in Street. So these are the three trades, and we have taken for today. I took some yesterday, I took some today, and then we are running. So let me just use this last one, Fox Finance. So right now, Fox Finance is giving us 28%. So let's say I don't want it to come and lose me money again. That is the idea. So that I will not lose my money. Instead, let it just hit me at a break even, and I will keep my money. So I will come to this place. See this place that says TP and SL right there, that place. So that is where I'm going to go and change my original SL. When I enter the trade, let me go back to this place, to Telegram. When we enter the trade, let me just open this. So when we enter the trade, I gave them SL. I think it's Fox Finance, yeah. So I told them SL is this 1.09. You can see right there. So now, if you look at that SL, it is at where we are going to lose money. But now, my trade has moved. I'm seeing 27, above 20%. So I'll just touch that pen icon right there at TP. You can see here, this pen icon right there. So I'll just touch that pen icon. Now, I'm doing this on Ourbit. It's almost the same thing with other exchanges. So once I touch it, you can see my stop loss. My stop loss originally is going to lose me 68%. But right now, I want to change it from loss to profit. So how do I do that? I'm going to go to the chart first. I'm going to go to Fox Finance, which is Fox USDT chart. So when I see the chart, I'm going to go to 15 minutes or 1 hour. Now this is 15 minutes. So I'm going to look at a place where is valuable for me to set my SL. So I entered as 1.209. So I'm just going to put my SL somewhere around here, 1.21. You can see right now it's around 1.25. So I can start to put my SL at around 1.211 or 1.21. Can see it right there, 1.215. Yeah, so I know that my SL is going to be around 1.215. So immediately I move it to 1.215. It means that I am no longer going to be risking anything. This trade is going to be risk free. So I will change this one from 1.09 to 1.21. You can see around 1.21, my SL, my percentage loss has changed to what? Positive. It's no longer negative. Let me do that again. Let me put it back at 1.09. You can see it as negative 68. But immediately I change to 1.21, it's now at just 57. So if I put it at 1.215, it's telling me that I'll be making 3%. 3% is not small. It is small because we are using small money, but 3% in reality is not small. Imagine 3% of $1,000. You understand? So that is what you need to think. Imagine 3% of $10,000 for those who will use big accounts for this. You get? So I will now click on confirm. And once I click on confirm, I know that my account or this trade will now be running risk free. So that is exactly how you set your account in break even. Now, if you don't want to set it in break even and you are okay with the trade, you're okay with the profit you have gotten, just click on either you click on flash close or you click on close to close your trade, and that is it. You've made money, you've made profit, and you move on to the next one. So guys, this is exactly how you set your trade in break even and secure your capital and allow your trade to run. All right guys, that is it for me in this video. I will see you in my next video, and until I come your way again, remain blessed.